Hey Rochester, are you tired of spending your precious weekends scrubbing the floors and dusting shelves? If you're thinking about hiring a professional house cleaning service, but you're not sure where to start or what to ask, you're in the right place. I'm Tina Service, owner of Made for Time, and today we're tackling the top 5 questions homeowners right here in the Rochester area are asking when they're looking for that perfect cleaning crew. Because let's face it, investing in a clean home should also mean investing wisely. All right. So the number one question that comes up on Google is what are your rates and what is the scope of the work? All right. So let's dive right in with number one. The most common question we hear is how are your rates set and what exactly does that price include? This is crucial because nobody likes hidden fees. Most professional services in Rochester will base their initial quote on your home size. Usually, this is the square footage and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms that you want to have clean. But here's the inside scoop: the condition of your home is the real factor. When we talk about average conditions, we're talking about a home that is already relatively tidy. But if it's your first time hiring a pro or it's been a few months, you're looking at a deep cleaning. This costs more because we aren't just wiping, we're actually scrubbing. We're talking hand scrubbing baseboards, detailed dusting of knickknacks, and degreasing that stovetop. Now, if there is extreme buildup, think heavy grease, extreme pet dander, or layers of dust from years of neglect. This will push the price higher because it takes twice the elbow grease to get it back to the baseline of clean. The best companies, like we do here at Made for Time, will be upfront with you during the walkthrough or the phone call, so there are no surprises. All right, let's go on to question number 2. Are you insured and bonded, and do you do background checks with the cleaners? In the Rochester area, this is a non-negotiable. You are letting someone into your most private space, your home. You need to know that if a vase breaks or heaven forbid someone is injured on your property, you aren't the one left holding the bill. At Made for Time, we act as a referral agency, which means we do the heavy lifting for you. We strictly vet every professional, ensuring they pass a comprehensive background check and carry the right coverage. It's all about your peace of mind. Okay, question number 3. Let's talk about supplies and equipment. Okay, so let's talk about supplies and equipment. A lot of times we get the question, do we provide, like the cleaning company, provide the cleaning supplies and equipment? Let me tell you, Rochester weather is no joke. Between the winter salt and the spring mud, our floors take a beating. Most homeowners want to know if they need to stock up on Windex and heavy vacuums. Usually the pros are going to bring their own professional grade supplies. However, if you have specific allergies or high-end surfaces like specialty marble, then just ask. Most cleaners are happy to use your preferred products if you have them ready. Question number 4, consistency. This is a big one, especially for any local community. The question is, will I have the same cleaner every time? We get it. You want someone who knows that the cat hides under the sofa and that the guest room door needs to stay closed. Building a relationship with a specific cleaner or team is a top priority for most of our clients. We work hard to match you with a professional who fits your home's personality so that over time they know exactly how you like things done without you having to say a word. Question number 5, are there any guarantees? All right, so finally we're at question number 5. What is your satisfaction guarantee? Even the best pros can miss a spot once in a blue moon. You should always ask, what happens if I'm not happy? A reputable local service will offer a 24-hour redo policy. If you notice something wasn't quite right, give them a call, and within 24 hours, they should send someone back to make it right at no extra charge. At Made for Time, we stand behind the work because our reputation in Rochester is everything. Okay, so there you have it. The top 5 questions to help you find the best cleaning partner in Monroe County. And if you're ready to take your weekends back and want a quote for your home, give us a call or visit us at madefortime.com. I'm Tina Service, and I can't wait to help you walk into a home that sparkles. See you in the next video.